Scientists from the Swiss Federal Technology Institute of Lausanne, or EPFL, developed a 3D printable lattice structure that combines robotic control with the flexibility of biological tissues. Users can also reportedly customize the single foam material into various positions and shapes. The team, part of EPFL's Computational Robot Design and Fabrication Lab, designed the lattice with individual cells that can take on more than 1 million configurations and combine to create an infinite number of geometric variations. Postdoctoral researcher Qinghua Guan said that the team used the lattice technique to construct an elephant-inspired robot with a trunk that can bend, rotate, and twist. It also features more rigid joints at the knee, foot, and hip. According to Guan, the elephant robot proves that the team's method provides a scalable solution for creating adaptable, lightweight robots. Users can print the lattice with 2 cell types with distinct geometries, the X-cube and the body-centered cubic BCC cell. The team explained that each cell type produces robotic tissue with varying load-bearing, deformation, and stiffness properties. Their method also lets them print hybrid cells with shapes that fall anywhere on the spectrum between X-cube and BCC. The team noted they can program a position in the lattice which lets them shift and rotate cells along its axis. They can also overlay the cells to form original cell combinations. For example, a lattice cube with 4 overlapping cells can produce approximately 4 million potential configurations. Team lead Josie Hughes stated that the lattice's high strength-to-weight ratio could lead to extremely lightweight and efficient robots. Hughes added that its open foam structure works well in fluids and could incorporate other materials, such as sensors.